Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery with a plate of leftover colors and a closed up bottle. It was open earlier. That would really be nice if that would open. Okay, I've got all kinds of leftover colors actually. They need to be used up. That one didn't get used up. And I will figure out what I'm going to do with these after a minute or two. Kind of being called the turquoise and I'm not sure where that is. Oh, I've got electric glue though. Hopefully that wasn't a mistake. Opening a bottle or not. Alright, I'm going to have to clean the threads off of that, I can tell now. So I'm going to put that down for a second. Grab an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Take that red off for the moment. These are available on my Amazon link. If you shop there, it helps me out at no added cost to you. I don't mind if there's a little extra paint, although that was a lot of extra paint. Because I've been doing blooms with Amsterdam black and an additive of pre-stain wood conditioner from Minwax. So that's a fairly even coat of paint. I'm going to throw that spatula in the bucket. I think I'm going to add, maybe I'm just going to add some Meeden paint to this. And I really want more of that orange, which is good because I've got it. I might also want some white, but I like to use the Anita's white metallic. So there we go. I want to spin my turntable. I want to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and hope that I don't have glop. It hasn't really been that long, so it should be okay. I taught myself how to do blooms with this Amsterdam black recipe. It wasn't hard. You can do it. If you check out the word bloom in the title, you'll get a playlist to come up. That's going in the bucket of water. I do want to try, where? Right there? Just to see what will happen. With leftovers. I really didn't intend on blowing the whole thing out, but I'm kind of having a good time, so it's hard to stop. That's the excitable boy. He gets all excited when it's cold out in Florida and around dinner time. So I kind of think if I just keep blowing this out and adding colors where I want, chances are good I might get some really neat effects. I don't think it requires very much paint. I'm wondering how I'm going to get in the center of that. Wishing I'd left more white negative space. Thinking I might still get lucky. I want to put some green in the center, I think. Wow, that really went a long way. And I'm lightheaded. Oh boy. Where's that turquoise? Did I ever open it? I didn't. Something has to open this. Pardon me while I take a second. Boy, those flowers. They remind me of the flowers I had as a kid. They made them out of tissue paper. Now there's nothing to keep me from just continuing on out if I want to. Well, my green disappeared. And it's overall kind of dark right now. But I think, if I'm smart, relative question, we shall see what we shall see. What do I want to, yes I do. I want some gold right there. I love what the gold does when it has this reaction. I'm a little lopsided. Not sure how this is going to turn out yet. Haven't given up though. That orange is a color that I made up myself. This is a color that's pretty much gone if I don't use it. So I might as well use it. That's the half neon purple, half color from Color Art that's called Hot Orchid. And we'll see how it works in a second. I'm a risk taker. Yeah, that must be some of my favorite right there. Come on. I got another little dribble. I should maybe tip that up and I can get the last few dregs out of there. That's the Golden Hour metallic from Arteza. I want more of that green. I like when a little tiny bit of that green pops up. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure that that's making me happy over there. That, whoop. Ha! I'm just learning how to do this, so I don't have the confidence yet to go crazy with it. But I am inclined to use up all my paint. And just keep putting, I wonder if this green will come out. I like that white space in between, so I'm going to be careful and try and leave that there. I need something here, I think. I'm extremely unsure what that might be, though. But I have colors already. Waiting to be used. It's not really what I was expecting to do. But that's okay. I don't know about anything else. I haven't made up my mind there yet, so I guess I'm just going to wait. But I do like that orange enough to want to take a chance and add some more. I don't mind when it drips. And that's proof positive that you can cover up things you don't like. With colors you like better. I want every drop of that color off of there. I really wanted that to go right down there. Not sure I'm done yet. This is still bugging me over here. If you need the name of a color, just ask me. I will do my best to get back to you. I usually do. That's better. I'm happier with how that turned out. I'm getting somewhere now. I'm going to try the straw. Which is a little on the speedy side, unfortunately. But it did make not a bad leaf. Makes me want to do it over here. If I can. Where else? Right here. Really do like putting leaves on. Not sure how many I should do. Not even sure if I have any time left. This is kind of mucky in here. I think that needs to go. I think I have like a minute left. This is my hot orchid with just the water in it. I am getting rid of some nice cells. Part of me says just leave the dots. There, that's a whole lot better. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys that that I do sell my artwork. And if you're interested in contacting me, just use the email address that's directly below Show More when you click the Show More link underneath the link tree. That's underneath the video. That was good. I like that. I'm really thinking that I want one more of those leaves over here. I might want more actually, until I feel like they're balanced. They're too close to each other right now. So I have over 1,800 videos, almost 1,900. Might have 1,900 actually. They're just not all posted where you can find them. Kind of think a different color green would be a good addition. There, that's getting better. And it's almost where I need it to be. If you guys have questions for me, ask me. If you're looking to get into the monthly drawing to hopefully win a painting, there are only ever 15 or 20 participants, and they participate by making a donation through PayPal or Patreon. The icons are on the bottom right hand corner of my channel header. Channel banner. I like the turquoise in there. I'm almost there. So close. What else did I not tell you? I have a minute to tell you that you can find out what the exhibition video offers you as far as prizes go for the monthly drawing. In the last 20 seconds of every video, it's listed. And you can find it there and check it out if you are interested in finding out what yeah, I'm just all over the map. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share my videos. Watch them longer. Watch them when the notifications come out. And if you feel like being generous, watch the commercials. My link tree has pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Facebook groups. I'm going to torch this to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I think this is pretty well done, other than one more leaf right there, and I think that'll do it. That was a ball. I really like doing this. It surprises me because it's so fresh and new. There we go. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. I will try and zoom in before you're gone, but